Hey guys, this is Charles Blair, the mad scientist with Mastermind Student Extraordinaire.
Stacy McLean.
And we are at a fantastic deal that Stacy has under contract, already closed on, and is in the process of actually selling. Stacy, tell us a little bit about this neighborhood.
This neighborhood is an excellent family-oriented neighborhood. It sits between 3 military posts. There are a lot of grocery stores and shopping and close schools nearby.
And what's the actual name of it?
Summerwood.
So we're in the Summerwood community, guys, and we're going to go inside, and then we're going to come back outside, and I'm going to show you the numbers that count. Hey guys, as you can see, this was a fantastic rehab job. As a matter of fact, this isn't what we would call a rehab. This is what we call pre-tailing. Now, pre-tailing is the process of basically putting a little bit of lipstick on that pig and making it look fantastic. And that's exactly what we did here. Now, tell us, how did you come across this property?
Well, I had a realtor that I worked with prior to becoming licensed, and he brought me this deal.
What?
Yeah, he brought me the deal. Another investor had the property. They got tired of sitting on it, and he brought it to me. It was a short sale.
So let's break that down. So it was a short sale opportunity. What was the original mortgage balance that was on there prior to the short sale?
About $580,000.
And then after the short sale, what was the actual remaining balance?
$300,000 is what I bought it for.
So it went from 500 plus to 300,000.
Yes.
So they actually knocked off about 200,000 off the short sale.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
This is what we call being that person there at the right time, at the right place, and taking advantage in the right situation. Now, you're in at 3-something. How much repair cost did you put in?
$25,000.
So like I mentioned earlier, we put lipstick on that pig. We just basically went inside and we just basically did what?
Clean it up. We did new flooring throughout, new countertops, new lighting, new fixtures, and some pre-maintenance on some of the electricals.
So you're in at about 25,000. You purchased it at 3-something. You're looking at a what after repair value of how much?
$469.
So $469 after repair value. Man, that's a fantastic deal.
Yes.
Man, you're looking at about a $70,000 profit.
About 75,000. That's correct. Yeah, that's correct.
So what I'm really fascinated with is the fact that you hold a license as an agent. What company are you with?
I'm with Exit Landmark Realty of White Plains and Clinton.
So you can tell these people that yes, you can be an agent and also be an investor as well.
Yes, you can be both. And it's a wonderful experience to be able to list my own properties now.
So this is Charles Blair, the mad scientist, with mastermind student extraordinaire Stacy,
McLennan.
and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.